We only get one life to ride, so stop filling your head with someday. Die with memories, not dreams. The true meaning of life is found when you twist the throttle into pure freedom. Every challenging curve in Vietnam strips away the noise, forcing profound self-growth. Out here, sharing the grit of the open road with your mates, you forge an unbreakable brotherhood. Stop waiting and start living the adventure that defines you. Join us for your epic Vietnam motorcycle tour in 2026.